know it, it's your girl I Spy Fashion here with another content video. So by the title, you guys already know this is going to be an Amazon hair wig review. You guys seem to like these type of videos, so I'm gonna keep them coming. And special shouts out to the company for sponsoring this video. Yeah, so if you want to know what company it is, all the hair specs and all the jizzy jazz, stay tuned for the rest of this video. Make sure to press that big old subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification so you can get alerted when your girl uploads. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. So right now, I love the state that my hair is in. You guys already know this wig was from Amazon, but the actual vendor's name is Caitlin Hair. It came in this box. I'll show you guys a little clip of like an unboxing that I did right here, and yeah, that's basically how it came. It came in a normal hairnet, came with a little thank you card, of course. Shout out to you guys, thank you. Let's get into the specs of the hair because like I love the hair, and we'll get into all of that in a few, but let's talk specs because that's what you guys want to know. You guys already know I don't like to ramble in my hair videos. I like to get straight to the point, and that's why I think you guys like them. So Caitlin Hair 4x4 closure, Kinky Curly hair. Yep. So it looks very, very natural, very soft. I'm loving it, and the knots are pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So I have the 18-inch in, and it retails for $95 before tax, and this is an Amazon vendor, so you guys, if you have time, you're gonna get your wig in 2 days, and who doesn't want to get their wig super fast, you know? So I really love shopping on Amazon for wigs and hair and all that jazz, just because I feel a lot more assured that my things are gonna come on time, and two, I just trust Amazon a lot more. And definitely you could read a lot of reviews and just see what other people think, and yeah. So off that, when I got the hair and I took it out of the box, I love the curl pattern and the detailing of it. If you guys can see this, it's a kinky curly hair wig. It really does mimic my natural hair texture. It's a lot more looser, the curls, but my natural hair texture is a little more tighter. But even if I was to do like a U-part wig and do some type of leave out, I feel like it would mesh very well with my hair. I did a closure. The closure, it came very close to being my natural scalp color. Can't speak. However, of course, my hair was laid by Style 35, my uncle, who always does my hair. I couldn't just like take the wig out and just put it on my own head. I had to go to the specialist, the hair specialist, you feel me? So of course he plucked the part, and he added some extra baby hairs and made it all nice and stuff. You see that? So like I said, if you guys are in the Bronx area, hit up my uncle at Style 35, and if he has any free availability, because he be booked and busy, I mean, tell him Ashantie sent you. So yeah, that's the specs on the hair. I really do love how natural it looks. It is a shorter length that I'm used to. You guys know I love my 20, 22, 24, 26, 30. This is 18. I haven't done 18 since I probably was 18. So that's about what, like 10 years ago? Yeah, we don't do short lengths over here anymore. But I am really loving it, how it frames my face. I feel like it looks very natural. I do like a bigger, poofier look like right now, but I'm also going to show you guys the wet look and how it looks when it is more damp, because it's very versatile, you know. You can do puffy, you can do the damp look. So I'm going to get my spray bottle and show you guys how that looks. Uno momento.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do
This is how she looks when she is wet. I literally had water in that spray bottle only, and obviously like later on I'll probably add some leave-in conditioner to it, but I just feel like right now I just only for purposes of this video I just added some water because it's pretty late right now when I'm filming this video. So yeah, when it dries it obviously becomes more poofier, but depending on the vibe that you're going for and the look that you're going for, you could definitely have a wet look, which I like sometimes. It looks cute either way, but this is she. Yeah, the only, I don't really have any cons. Oh, the only con about this wig, it does come down really low to your ear, so I feel like I probably have my uncle, I don't know if he could cut that or make it like a little more, like snip it a little bit to give it some ease. But that's the only flaw of this wig. Otherwise than that, I absolutely love it and I have no complaints. So if you guys like this unit, comment down below a big thumbs up and that you like it. I will leave, of course, the link in the description box so you guys can shop this wig yourselves. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in another one. Love you guys so much. Bye.